Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Pro Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video, I have come with one more hiring update, which is coming from CGI company. So CGI company finally started hiring for fresher and recent graduate for the 3 different roles. So if you are a fresher and recent graduate, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and do check out the other company hiring as well, because multiple companies hiring still ongoing. For example, Standard Chartered, and for this hiring, anyone can apply. So do check out this video. Now let's discuss in detail about CGI company hiring. So as I mentioned, company is hiring for 3 different roles. So first one is a software engineer, second is a apprenticeship role for Java domain, and third one is the apprenticeship for fresher hiring. So we will discuss one by one each of the role. So first role is a software engineer. So for this role, company hiring for Bangalore locations, means if you guys selected, then maybe you have to relocate to the Bangalore location. Company has already mentioned work location is a Bangalore. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you done Bachelor of Engineering and you are going to pass out in 24 batch or 25 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring, you can apply. And apart from this, company has mentioned some specific branches. For example, if your branch is CSIT or cybersecurity or related field, then only you are eligible for this role, you can apply. And apart from this, you must have 60% marks throughout, means in your 10, 12, graduation, post-graduation, whatever you have done. And apart from degree, company has mentioned marks criteria also. So you must have at least 60% marks throughout, means in your 10, 12, graduation or post-graduation. And plus, company has mentioned some required skills. For example, you must be familiar with the Python or scripting language, or you have an understanding of the networking of firewalls. You can check out over here. This is the required skills. So if you have this, you can apply for this hiring. I will attach apply link in video description. So this is all about software engineer role. Talking about the second role, which is the apprenticeship role for the Java domain. So for this role also, company hiring for Bangalore location, you can check out. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you done bachelor degree, then you are eligible for this hiring. But your passing batch should be 23 and 24. Only 2 passing batch eligible for this role. You can check out. And apart from batch, you must have at least 60% marks in your 10, 12, graduation, post graduation, whatever you have done. And as I mentioned, this job is for Java domain. So you must have understanding of the Java language. Java is a compulsory for this position. You can check out. Company has mentioned in required skills. For example, strong understanding of Java, 𝐓𝐞𝐚𝐧, and basic data structure. So if you are familiar with these, you can apply for this hiring. Talking about the last role, which is the testing domain, or you can say quality assurance role. So for this role, company is hiring for Hyderabad location. Move to the qualification. So company has mentioned if you are going to pass a 23 batch or 24 batch, then both passing are eligible for this role. But you have completed a bachelor degree with 60% marks, then only you are eligible for this hiring. You can check out. So this is a purely testing job. So if you want to make your career in testing domain, you can apply for this hiring. Just click on I am interested option, and after that create your application on CGI portal and complete your application. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.